What's up, everybody? Wil Reynolds here, and I'm back for another Wasteful Wednesday. Today's Wasteful Wednesday tip of the week is, ready? LLC. All right, so when we look across millions and millions of keywords, and we look at 5 or 6 million every quarter, we look for trends. And one of the things that we find is when the words LLC show up, usually the data's not too strong on the conversion rates. And here's how this happens. So people have very generic business names. Like my business name is going to be Philly Network Repair LLC. Well, when somebody goes to look me up as a business, and a lot of people search for businesses all day online, they click on your paid ad and you pay for a click for somebody trying to sell you payroll services or something like that. So let me go show you a few examples with an extra special tip that we have found. So let's go. All righty, so I'm sitting over here and we're gonna start with Paradise Networks LLC. Now, if you're generally going after words like networks, I'm telling you, I couldn't trigger one this time, but there's a high likelihood you may show up for network type of keywords. So what I did is I pivoted that and I dropped in PVT or LTD. These are for companies that are incorporated oftentimes in other countries. It's a dead giveaway. But you see the word IT training is sitting in here. So even if you phrase matched IT training, if you're not negating out PVT or LTD, you could be showing up for people looking for companies in India. And if you don't sell in India, why are you giving Google that money on those clicks, right? And sure enough, there are companies down here who are targeting words like training, IT training, and getting matched to stuff like this. So save yourself a couple bucks. Negate LLC, negate PVT. But I'll also show you a few other ones. You want to make sure that when people search for the word Crunchbase, they're looking for financial information on a company, just like we found with most of those LLC searches. So if you're Monday, you might not want to show up for that because you're bidding on a competitor name, right? I get it that you're bidding on a competitor name, but you want to make sure that you're taking a scalpel to that approach and not just broadly spending that money. Same thing with words like revenue. This is somebody doing research on a company's rev. The odds of them looking to see how much Asana makes and then clicking on Workamajig and then converting, our data says is pretty slim. Hopefully that is a helpful Wasteful Wednesday tip of the week so that you can get your money back and use those dollars and cents in better ways. I will tell you, I looked across a bunch of data recently for LLC words and found thousands and thousands of dollars spent, and every single person that shared their data with me was at least 3 to 4x over their average CPA, and some were as high as 15x. So go save that money. See ya.